Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you if it's possible to contact Evernote by phone. Let's begin. As of the moment, I hate to break it to you guys, but Evernote does not offer a direct customer support through phone calls. Alright? Matter of fact, if you go here on the top left corner, when you see your profile icon and click on the help section, alright, there is a section here that says help center. You can type your questions here, and if we type in phone support, you would notice that it will give us something like this. Alright, how to contact Evernote support. And if you click this article right here, they do not provide or give a, you see that they currently do not offer phone support. All assistance is provided via online contact form and email. All right, so click on done. What we can do instead is go to the submit a support request. It will be forwarded to the web version. All I have to do is sign in with your Google account. Takes a little while, and then from here, just click on this section right here to contact the Evernote support. These are going to be some of the options that you can choose from: accounts and logins, Evernote, how to guide, and a lot more. Okay, you see this? All right, so these are going to be some of your options. Unfortunately, as of now, you can't contact them by phone. It's kind of like limited options for now on this platform. Don't worry, because they have like a 24/7 customer support service that is always here to provide you information or guidance if you encounter any problems along the way, be it your account or maybe a technical bug and different topics that they support. Just click on the submit support request. You see this: login issues, account and subscription, maybe a feedback and feature request. All right, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. Type in your subject, for example. That's going to be how to contact support. All right, and of course you can put in, you see this subject and the detailed options. You can also add your filer if you wanted, and then one of the customer support staff will give you insight on troubleshooting steps if in case you encounter any problems along the way. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.